Autopark, also known as Park Assist, is a driver assist feature on the Tesla Model S that automates parallel and perpendicular parking. It uses ultrasonic sensors, cameras, and Tesla's autopilot neural network to detect parking spaces and maneuver the vehicle. The driver controls acceleration and braking while the car steers. Autopark is typically enabled by default on Model S vehicles manufactured after 2016. However, you can verify and toggle it in the touchscreen menu. Go to Controls, Autopilot, Park Assist. Make sure the toggle is switched on to enable the feature. To initiate Autopark, drive slowly under 5 mph past parking spaces. Press the P button on the gear selector to activate the system. The car will scan for available spots and display options on the touchscreen. Select your desired spot, confirm, shift into reverse, and then control your speed using the accelerator and brake pedals. The car will handle the steering. Autopark on the Tesla Model S is classified as a Level 2 automation feature. This means it provides steering assistance for parking, but requires active driver supervision at all times. As the driver, you must always monitor your surroundings and be ready to take control. The system enhances parking convenience, but does not make driving hands-free. Autopark will automatically disengage if it detects obstacles in the path or if you manually intervene, such as by turning the steering wheel. The vehicle's sensors continuously scan the environment to ensure safe operation. Autopark is designed for parallel and perpendicular parking only. It does not support diagonal or angled parking maneuvers, which require different steering patterns. The system will not attempt to park if the available space is too small for the vehicle. It requires adequate clearance to ensure safe maneuvering without risk of collision. Autopark performs exceptionally well in controlled environments with clear markings, making parallel parking in urban areas significantly faster and more efficient. However, Autopark's performance can be affected by challenging conditions such as snow-covered parking lots, where low visibility and sensor interference may cause failures. In unstructured environments like muddy fields, the system's sensors struggle with unpredictable terrain, leading to potential parking failures that require manual intervention. Tesla has been actively improving Autopark through software updates, with significant enhancements in recent versions like v12.5.1. The v12.5.1 update focuses on better sensor integration, combining ultrasonic sensors and cameras more effectively. This has led to fewer false positives during parking detection, making Autopark more reliable in various conditions. Tesla has enhanced compatibility with full self-driving supervised mode, allowing smoother transitions between manual driving and automated parking. This integration makes the parking process feel more seamless and natural. Recent updates have specifically addressed challenges on steep inclines and in tight urban parking spots. Improved algorithms now handle these difficult scenarios more effectively, expanding the range of conditions where Autopark can operate successfully. When Autopark encounters issues, there are several common troubleshooting steps you can take. First, verify that the parking space meets Autopark's requirements. The space should have clear markings and adequate dimensions for parallel or perpendicular parking. Autopark works best in well-defined spots with proper clearance. Second, check for obstructions on the vehicle's sensors. Dirt, snow, or other debris can interfere with the ultrasonic sensors and cameras. Clean all sensor areas thoroughly, especially after driving in inclement weather. Third, keep your Tesla's software updated. Recent updates improve Autopark reliability and address known issues. Check for updates in the vehicle's software menu and install them when available. Finally, if problems persist after trying these steps, consult your Tesla owner's manual for detailed troubleshooting or contact Tesla support for assistance. They can help diagnose hardware issues or provide additional guidance. The trend is toward greater integration of Autopark with advanced driver assist systems like full self-driving. This creates seamless transitions between manual driving and automated parking. Future developments may include Smart Summon for parking in garages without a driver present. This beta feature allows the vehicle to navigate and park autonomously in designated areas. By 2030, fully autonomous parking systems could become common, allowing vehicles to park themselves remotely via smartphone apps. This could significantly reduce urban traffic congestion by eliminating the need for drivers to circle for spots. Tesla is working toward LiDAR-free solutions, relying solely on cameras and radar for parking assistance. This approach simplifies the sensor suite while maintaining effectiveness in various conditions.